remaining true to our original aspiration. We keep our mission firmly in mind and strive for excellence to extend our reach. From the spare parts trade to equipment maintenance and on to equipment manufacturing. From the oil field to environmental management, and then to oil and gas technology services and engineering services. From traditional manufacturing, and now to the new energy industry. In the third decade of our journey, Jereh Group is continuing to live up to our corporate spirit. Always look forward, never give up. Nothing is impossible. The market has no sympathy for the weak, so we put customers at the center of our strategy. Focus on their needs, deliver superior value, and exceed their expectations. This has earned us the trust of our customers and has driven our growth. Explore, discover, witness. Specializing in high-end oil and gas equipment manufacturing, we have the competitive advantages needed to help power oil field production in the global market with premium quality. In this time of change, we keep improving and take the dynamic approach to our portfolio of assets and products, helping our customers to succeed. To achieve a better, more suitable future for all, we are working closely with customers around the world to provide more low-carbon energy. We develop our core offers from equipment to engineering services in the fields of gas processing, compression, liquefaction, energy distribution, and helium recovery. We're pushing the boundaries of energy use by advancing anode material production for lithium batteries, energy storage applications, and lithium battery recycling, meeting the growing needs of new energy. Staying true to our technology-driven, smart manufacturing, value-adding philosophy, we're looking for opportunities to go further in areas of oily sludge treatment, soil remediation, and sludge dewatering. We would take our leading technology and products to protect the local environment, leaving the world the way we found it. Leveraging our experience in oil and gas equipment, we're expanding to the new business sector of cleaning vehicles for urban roads, ports, and industrial parks. Through efficiency and high performance, we will deliver benefits to our society and the people around the world. To help our employees continue to grow, we provide them with coaching, mentoring, and training. We also take our responsibilities in communities to support an inclusive society. Every day, we give 100%. We think, innovate, strive, and act. We honor every promise to the customer and strive to do our part to create value. We provide more technologies to meet their needs with ingenuity. We work together with partners across industries and countries. These efforts support our vision to become an enterprise respected by people all around the world. Together, we are moving forward towards more efficient energy use, smarter manufacturing, better cities, and happier lives. We do what we can to build a sustainable and better world one step at a time. Jereh, your partner for the future.